My name is Dr. Hemant Kumar. I am Professor, Area Chair Marketing and Head IQAC. World is in a very unique crossroads where new education policy of India and AI disruption has brought the entire education and industry into a crossroads of reinventing the entire ecosystem of this education and industry. Marketing department has accepted this as a graceful challenge and brought in many innovative pedagogical innovations and integration of AI in our entire syllabus. The syllabus which is curated for the upcoming batch has been highly industry-centric, accompanied with high-end certification program, skill development program, AI training programs, soft skill training programs, wherein our marketing department under the shelter of CMS Business School becomes a finishing school. Our predominant attitude that we would like to send it to the whole world for the students is, student is industry ready, capable of handling new challenges of the modern world, capable of introspective, critical thinking and understanding what industry needs. This particular syllabus and pedagogy is being curated with a lot of industrial experts, academic experts, and industry giants, and understanding the ecosystem that is being built for the next 10 years. Having said this, how is this particular MBA program of marketing is much unique when compared to others? We bring scenario-based activities in the class. We bring case studies, which is in a simulator and simulation games. We also bring our classes into live demonstration, live case studies, live projects, and also AI integration, certification program. Our syllabus is seamlessly integrated with AI. A student who joins a marketing department goes through nothing less than 200 AI softwares, and he will be absolutely ready for industrial opportunity. Great people have told, when there is great uncertainties, opportunities follow predominantly over it. Welcome to CMS Business School. Together we can make difference.
Hello dear students, I am Dr. Ananta Subramanya Iyer, Associate Professor and Program Coordinator, Marketing Area. At JAIN deemed to be University CMS Business School, we believe in student-centric approach. This novel approach is reflected in various student development activities that are carried out by the marketing area. In marketing area, we have two specializations, one core marketing and the second one is digital business marketing. We at marketing area believe in bringing in industry expertise through certificate training programs, AI integration across courses and all modules, as well as live projects with the help of industry collaboration for assignments. All these things will equip students to become future-ready industry leaders, to take up leadership roles in the marketing domain across industry, across sectors. Thank you for choosing JAIN deemed to be University CMS Business School. I wish you all the best. God bless you.